this is a bit tricky one. For slant writing, you are going to start as straight line, like a small slant line, okay, going up till the blue line and then come down as straight line. And then we are going to go up slant, make a knot, swirl it out and touch the blue line. And this will be used as line of connectivity. So we are going to make 4 such V again. The tricky part here is, that is if you stick to the straight form of cursive writing and then come down as forward slant, okay, and go up again as slant line. So in this case you will observe we are coming down here as slant line and then going up again as slant line. This is in case of straight V. You will again make a knot and then just swirl it out. Whereas if you are making a slant V, you are going to make a straight line and then a slant line. Some of the mistakes to be avoided while making V is, many times people just swirl and make a loop out like this. So this has to be avoided, or a V like this. Both of them have no connectivity.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!